The website is a set of related web pages containing content including text, music, audio, images, etc. The page of the website can usually be accessed from simple URL called web address. Each website has a purpose and expect customer to visit their website either for business, entertainment, or even information. Therefore, the website needs to be usable to the respectable persons. ISO Standards of Usability provides the definition of usability as the extent to which a product can be used by specified users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in a specified context of use. ISO standards explain how to identify the information that it is necessary to take into account when specifying or evaluating usability in terms of measures of user performance and satisfaction. It also explains how measures of user performance and satisfaction can be used to measure how any component of the work system affects the quality of the whole work system in use. The ISO standards uses 8 basic principles of web usability by analyzing websites for consistency, content, accessibility, speed, interaction, technology, typography, and portability. Using ISO standards, we are going to evaluate 2 hotel websites.
Using the ISO standard of usability, we are going to evaluate our first website, the Pear Hotel. The first thing to be recognized at this website, there are dynamic moving text on the top of the web page that is hard to understand and makes no sense. Next thing to realize, the website table is smaller than the computer screen. That makes everything comprised in a tight space, whereas it could have opened out for the viewers to see a better view of all the content in the web page. The website is consistent throughout the web page, but still has lost its customers. There are 2 navigation bars identical to each other, one above the pictures and one below the pictures. At the home page here, you can see that the website has 4 different text size in the middle table. That some is very small and hard to understand and read, and some are bigger and a little more recognizable. But the text in the table should be 2 consistent size and a little bigger for eyes to read, so that customers from all ages could visit the website and be able to read what the hotel has to offer. The website is portable. The speed is relatively good. From my perspective, the Pear Hotel website is not interactive. The website does nothing much for the customers who are interested in staying at the Pear Hotel. Next website we are going to be evaluating using the ISO standard is the Atlantis website. This website has 2 hotels, one in Bahamas and Dubai, so customers has a choice to choose one. This flash input puts a good use, splitting up traffic of visitors type. Once visitors reach the main site, they see beautiful images and clear next steps to the reservations. This website is very interactive. It's easy, effective, and enjoyable to users. When maneuvering the website, the pictures get straight to the point of the website. Bookings, offers, activities at the hotel to keep its customers interested in visiting this hotel. The website is consistent. The typography is readable and understandable. and the content is relevant to the hotel and get straight to the point of the information relating to the hotel's offers, bookings, details. It is accessible with mobile devices, and with all the graphics, videos and pictures, this website has the speed and technology is up to par. The Atlantis Hotel is very interactive, eye-catching to viewers, and really advertise the hotel in a great perspective so that customers could be interested in visiting either one of the hotels.
In conclusion, from watching the two websites that are commercial sites about hotels, we see that competitions are just a click away, so from the time the website is open it needs to be eye-catching and interactive to the users. It provides the ISO standard of usability as the guideline to having a successful website to satisfy the customer's efficiency and effectively. The Pier Hotel website needs to remove the dynamically moving text and increase the size of the table to a greater percentage. They need to review the site with ISO standards and pay attention with the typography, consistency, content, accessibility, speed, interaction and technology of the website in mind and keep their customer interested. Whereas the Atlantis website is a great example of a website using the ISO standards to build and design the website. It is consistent, the content is based on the hotel reservations and offers accessibility, good speed to download, interaction, all the technology, typography and portability.